worst in NBA history. Very scary for opponents. Oh, Kyrie Irving, how sweet was that?
My goodness. Oh, this guy continues to amaze with his ability to dribble the basket.
Irving gets in the paint. Scoop layup, he banks it in. Irving gets in the paint. Scoop layup. Irving, crossover, pull up, got it. From Iguodala. Now picks up Irving on the switch. Irving spins away. Layup is good. Gorgeous move from Kyrie Irving.
That's the way to come over a screen. Didn't do it this time. That is one great play.
Oh, man.
I'll tell you what, Jarrett Jack played great defense, and then Irving had a counter. Jack fought over.
Irving fires. Bang! Kyrie Irving putting on a show. Murray puts the reach in there. Irving crossover down the lane and foul. Oh, Kyrie Irving's ball handling again on display. Clark has come in for Golden State. Irving kicks it out to James. Corner three, that's good. Kyrie Irving, crossover, got it! Oohs and ahs from the crowd. And the Cavs back up by 5. Shake and bake, and drills it.
Between the circles, pestered by Curry, crossed him over, fires a 20-footer. Perfect. Irving's off to a nice start.